Hello everyone. How's you guys doing today? So with this video, I'm going to show you how to do a meeting table actually. Now we're going to go to a Mastercam 9. You open that up now. Let's go to main menu and go and click F9. Go and click on create. Going to use rectangle and we're going to use 1 point. Go ahead and put 120 by 60. And then we're going to click OK here. Go back to origin and then click escape, Alt F1, and then F2, put the screen in the middle. Now go and click 1 point again. We're going to use 100 by 48. That's all table size. Okay, and then we're going to click OK. We're going to put origin here. We're going to click escape. Go back to main menu. We're going to click on off form offset. We're going to click on copy here. Offset distance. Okay, so since we have 100 in width, so we're going to put 50. We're going to put that in the middle and click OK. Okay, we're going to click right here, put in the middle right here. Go back up, offset again. Then we have the 48, we're going to put 24 in the middle, from top to the bottom, right in the middle. And go back up. We're going to put the 24 to half. So we're going to put 12 inches. Click OK, from top to the bottom. So now we have it online, right? So now we're going to connect a line from midpoint to the endpoint, okay? So create a line, then we click on endpoint. This endpoint right here, click on this endpoint right here. We're going to do all four corner. Two more right here. 1 and 2. Click escape. Okay, we're gonna put a radius right here. This four corner here. 1 here, 2 here, 3 here, and 4 here. Okay. Now we're gonna go to delete line right here. We're gonna click on delete this line and delete line right here, and go back to main menu and go ahead and modify. We're gonna put fillet and click on the radius. We're gonna put 4 inches radius. Okay. Click enter. Go ahead and click right here. This line right here. This line right here. 1, 2, 1 and 2 here. Now, after do all that, we're going to delete this line, the line we don't need. 1 here, 2 here. Okay. Now we're going to go back up. We're going to put create. We're going to put the circle right now. Okay. Click on arc. Go to circle point diameter. We're going to use 4 inches. Okay. Put 4 inches and enter. And we're going to go center here. We're going to click on this corner here. Okay. Go back to center. This corner here. Go back to center. And this corner right here. Go back to center. And this corner here. So we've got our 4. We've got 2 more to go here, right? So before we doing that, let's go to main menu and click on create. Then line. And we're going to use horizontal line. Cut this right here in the center. Okay. We're going to click right this line right here and connect to this circle here. 1 more to go. Okay. Click escape. Now we got to go back to main menu and click on create. We're going to click on arc. Circle point diameter. We're going to put 4 inches, the same size of this one. We're going to put it in the middle here. Okay. 1 and 2. And click escape. Now we're going to come back up here and delete the line. 1, 2, 3. Okay, delete all this line and 1 more right here. Okay, now we got our circle. We got 6 circle here. Now go ahead and click F9. Get rid of that. Okay. Now we'll go back to main menu. Okay, and we're gonna use the tool pad to cut this out. Okay, first we're gonna do the pocket. These 6 right here, 6 hole right here. We're gonna make a pocket. Okay, let's go to tool pad. Click on pocket. Okay. Then we're gonna put chain right here. Gonna click chain. Okay, right here. 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And click done. This is a tool library. Go ahead and click right click, get a tool library. Let's go and scroll down to get a 1/4 inch flat end mill, which is 235. Okay, right here. And click OK. Okay, I'm going to put right here in comments, say rough pocket or GH pocket. Okay. Put right pocket here. And then we're gonna go to pocket parameter. We're gonna check on clear right here. Then the top of stock 0.75, which we're using 3/4 inch material. And then on the negative right here, put on depth, put negative 0.5. Okay, put a 1/2 inch on there. Okay, on the tip com, go ahead and use the center. At the sharp, we're gonna put none. Okay, and then we're gonna go rough finish parameter. Now we're gonna go over here to true spiral. Click on that. Now we're gonna run from inside to outside. We're gonna check right here. And then the cut com, we're gonna use where. Okay, go ahead and click on that. And then we're gonna click OK. That's what it looked like. Okay, now we're gonna go back to main menu. We're gonna click on toolpath again. We're gonna click on contour. Okay, we're gonna cut these out right here. Okay. Now we're gonna click done. Our tool library again. Go ahead and right click. Let's go to 239. Having flat end mill. Okay, click right here, having flat end mill, and click OK. And right here, say finish pad. Finish pad. Okay. And we're gonna click right here on contour. And then we're gonna cut all the way through. We're gonna put negative 0.75. Okay. And then right here, comes here and right here, we're gonna put where. The left right here, tip, all okay, that's good. And then we're gonna click OK here. Okay, that's how it looks. Now let's go to operation. Okay, click on parameter. This right here, we want to make sure that we have the right tool, all that kind of stuff. Okay, just make sure you got it right. Okay, and this right here, feed rate, plunge rate, retractor rate, we're gonna change that. Okay, let's go to feed rate. We're gonna put 7.0. Okay, plunge rate, we're gonna put 6.0. And retractor rate, we're gonna go ahead and put 6.0. Okay, spindle speed, you go ahead and put 2,000. And then cooling, go ahead and turn it on. Okay, and then we're gonna click OK. And one more we have to do, we're gonna come back to the pocket right here and parameter. Okay, we're gonna change this, a feed rate, plunge rate, retractor rate. Go ahead and put 7.0 here. And plunge rate, we're gonna put 6.0. And retractor rate, go ahead and put 6.0. And then we're gonna spindle speed, 2,000. And then the cooling, of course, we're gonna turn it on. Okay, and then we're gonna click OK. And then we go ahead and select all, regenerate, and then verify. Okay, and then we're gonna click on the start button. Okay, that's how it looks. There's 4-inch diameter. We got 6 of them, but that's for the cup or the bottle water to hold it down. Okay, that's how it look, guys. Okay, that's it. That's all we have right there. So let's go back to tool. Let's go to main menu again. We're gonna click on contour. We're gonna click contour. We're gonna cut this thing out. Okay, gonna click done. Okay, we're gonna use the same tool. We're gonna change this to 7.0. And the plunge rate, we're gonna put 7.0. And the retractor rate, we'll put 7.0. And then we're gonna turn it on already. And the spindle speed, we're gonna change it to 2,000. Okay. And this right here, make a check. So make sure you put negative 0.75. We're gonna cut all the way through. Okay. And click OK. Okay, now we go to operation and select all, verify, and start button. Okay, and that's how it looks. I hope you guys like this video, and if you do, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. If you have anything to say, please leave in the comment below. and I will try the best I can to get back to you guys. And other than that, that's all I have for tonight. And I hope you guys a wonderful, wonderful day. Okay. And thank you. See you next time. Bye bye.